Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to learn about how to use WebDriverManager class in Selenium. So before doing any implementation, let's discuss the theory behind it. So I'm on Google right now, so I'm going to Boni Garcia GitHub page. Okay, and you have to go to the first link. So all the implementation part is covered as part of this GitHub page, and as you can see this line of a code. So in earlier days we used this line of codes to specify which browser we want to use for script execution. And in this part, so in this procedure basically we need to manually download the respective driver and provide the path here likewise. And what Boni Garcia has done is he managed all these manual steps as part of these dependencies like this. So this dependency is for the Maven project and this is for the Gradle project. So right now we are going to just implement this for both Maven as well as the Gradle project and see how the results are. So I'm just going to my IntelliJ and going to create a Maven project. WebDriverManager, Selenium, Maven. Just going to hit finish. And I'm going to add the dependencies that are provided by Boni Garcia. So let's just copy this code, and also we need to have the Selenium Java dependency. So let's go to Maven repository. This is Selenium Java. Just copy this and paste it along with this. And I'm going to import all these dependencies. It's done. So I'm going to create a test. So I'm going to call it as WebDriverManager class. And I'm not going to use any TestNG or JUnit framework right now. I'm just going to use a main method. Okay, and if you see the GitHub page again, if you scroll down, you can actually see the how to implement that WebDriverManager class. So I'm just going to copy this code and going to paste it like this and going to import this. So you can see the import statement says io.github.bonigarcia. So this is all dependencies provided by this part of dependency, and going to like have the same steps that we use, saying WebDriver equals new Chrome driver, and going to import this. I'm going to say WebDriver.get and going to pass an URL. Say google.com and going to close this. That's it, and just run this program. So this is the only step that we added, and that basically replaced the earlier or the recently used steps. So the browser has launched and it goes to google.com and it should close now. So what we wanted to achieve as part of this video is to implement this WebDriverManager class and use it as part of our Selenium script. So that we achieved, but right now suppose you want to specify the browser version on which you want to run the script. So you can do is like you can specify by saying browser version and provide whatever version you want to run. So suppose My current version is 88, so I want to run on a previous version, suppose 87. So I'm going to mention that 87 and just going to hit the green button. You can see the console basically to actually see what version it use. So if you see the console, it says 87, what we provided in the script. So likewise, we will do the same thing with the Gradle project. Let's close this project and let's create another one, but the Gradle one, saying WebDriver Manager. And I'm going to add the dependency provided by Boni Garcia for the WebDriver Manager class inside this dependency stack. Also, we need to have that Selenium Java dependency as well for Gradle. So I'm just going to Maven repository, and if you see these tabs, you can just click on this Gradle tab and you can have the Gradle version of the Selenium Java dependency. Just copy it and paste it along with this. That's it, and just need to import this. Okay, so the project is built. Let's create a class, say WebDriver Manager class, and the same steps again. Let's go and copy this implementation part, paste it over here, import this. Okay, before that we need to have the main method. Okay, and once we do that, we have to just call a WebDriver import it. Okay, let me see the dependencies are import or not. Again, build the project. Okay, now I can import, and again I'm going to hit a URL with that object, say HTTPS, and then going to close it. So very much similar steps that I followed for the Maven project, only the implementation part in the build.gradle. That's it. That's the difference only we have for the Maven and the Gradle. So it launched the browser, then it went to google.com. Yeah. So again, like if you again here in this code, if you want to specify a browser version, then you can actually specify by saying browser version and specify the version. So earlierly, like if you check the version of this Boni Garcia, so right now it's 4.3.1. And if you check the earlier versions, like suppose starting with the 3, they having a tag or they having a method called version instead of browser version, and this has got changed or updated as part of the newest version 4.3.1, and the name is browser version right now. So this is the only change as part of this new update in this Boni Garcia's dependency. So yeah, that's it for today in this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, share and comment. Also don't forget to subscribe the channel, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.